Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to get grammar feedback using free AI tools in 2025. This is perfect for students, writers, or anyone who wants to improve their writing quickly and accurately, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gemini AI. This free AI tool can check grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure in your writing. Next, copy the text you want to check. This could be an essay, a blog post, or even a social media caption. Paste it into Gemini. Now type a prompt like, check the grammar of this text and provide corrections. Explain any mistakes and suggest improvements. The AI will instantly highlight errors, suggest corrected sentences, and explain why certain changes are needed. If you want more advanced feedback, you can ask Gemini to make the text more formal, simplify it for beginners, or improve the style and clarity while keeping the meaning. Once the corrections are ready, you can copy the improved text, review the suggestions, and learn from the explanations to avoid the same mistakes in the future. And that's it. You've just learned how to get grammar feedback with free AI tools in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free SEI learning tips and writing tools.